Hello friends, in our previous video you have learnt about sprite, which is 2D bitmap image. It is not a drink, it is bitmap image that is used for game programming. Today you will learn how to create different type of images design through use of Turtle. What is Turtle? Turtle is imaginary pen that is given in our app lab for drawing purpose and used for creation of logo. Today you will learn how we can create different type of design like circle from our Turtle. In toolbox, Turtle option is present. In Turtle have many properties. All these code blocks are present in toolbox. Just you have to drag these code blocks to your workspace and then you have to run your program. Okay. You want to create this type of design, then what you have to do? You have to select, first of all you have to select your pen color from your pen option, like from here pen color. I have selected pen color to red, pen width to 5. You can change it to any number, 5, 10, 2, whatever you like. First I have selected radius variable. I have taken 3 variable. First one is for radius, second one is for circle ka x position and third one is circle y position. Why I have selected these variable? Because every time I want that radius will be changed. For this smaller circle the radius is 25, for this circle the radius is 50, for this circle radius is 75. Every time every circle have a different radius. Okay, so I have taken radius variable. What is variable? Variable is a value that we can give to our computer for programming purpose. I have taken circle x position also and circle y position also. Why I have taken circle x and y position? Because for every circle I want to change its x and y position. That's why I have taken circle x and circle y position. Here I am using while loop also. What is while loop? Why I am using while loop? What is loop? Loop is used for programming. Loop run until our statement is true. Until our radius is less than 200. When radius of circle become more than 200, then program will be stopped. Every time radius value will be incremented by 25. Radius is 200. Every time circle of radius is decreased 25 and then increase, every time increased. Okay. From here move to circle x, circle y, means our cursor will moved to x and y position of 150 and 200, means it will move to this position. Then pen down. Why we are using pen up and pen down here? When we use pen up and pen down, then our pen will be picked up from our screen and line will not be drawn through Turtle. So we have to use pen up and pen down option every time. Arc right 90. We have taken 4 arc right here because for creation of any circle we need 360 degree. Okay, and 360 is a multiple of 90. 90 multiply 4 is equal to 360. So we are using arc right here 4 times. Every time I am changing color also, yellow, green, red. So every quarter of 90 degree will be in different color, like yellow, red, blue. Every time the color has been changed. So through this cycle, one circle has been drawn, then radius will be increased and pen color also has been changed. Now a circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 circle has been drawn. if we decrease it from here, like I am writing it to 200, 100, then what will happen? Number of circle has been decreased. If I increased from here like 250, then what will happen? Number of circle has been increased. So through looping we can give the command to our computer that run a program how many times. We have to keep condition for it. If we are not keeping here condition, then this program will not be worked. So now you have learned how I have created different type of circle through it. In our next video you will learn how to create different design through it, how you can use your looping and function program, looping and function from here, function and looping. What is function? Function is a type of program, a command where different set of action you can take. You have to write set of function in function, and every time when you call your function, your program will be run. You need not to write down function many times. You just have to write a function one time, and when you call your function, then it will run. Through function your programming become more easy, and you will know about control also. Here for loop, while loop, if else statement, are all of these are loops or controls that we use in our programming for making it simple. Suppose you want to draw you want to draw different colors of circle, then you have to select while loop. Okay, so today you have learnt about turtle, uses of turtle, and in next video you will learn about function and control, and you will be able to draw different design of circle, square, quadrilateral, and different patterns of design, which will help you to learn how to draw logo for creation of your app more interesting. Okay, thanks for watching. Next time we will meet with new commands, new options, and new features of computer through code app or through game app. Artist lab, you will more learn about artist lab, sprite lab. I will teach all type of lab from here to you, so that within 1 month you will be able to draw your own programs, your own games through my help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share Yellow Cap channel for coding. Okay, thanks.